Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where are we up to now?
On today's episode, we're siding the exterior walls of the office.
You mean the bunker?
Yes.
Oh, that one, yes. Keep my boy. I like it. Hi, Traveling Roots here again. So we're finally siding the office.
We're going to use concrete fiberboard.
Yep.
It's also called hardy plank.
Yep.
It's really good at resisting the weather, wet conditions, sunny conditions, that kind of thing. It's very, 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 very durable.
Yep. So we're gonna reinforce the waterproofing with that white plastic thing we have around somewhere. And well, hopefully we will finish sometime this week.
In the next century.
In the next century. Reinforcing the waterproofing with this. It's already sort of waterproof, but it's been out for 6 months or so. So we need to put more. Anyway, so tag along. We hope you don't get bored to death without. Right? Oh well.
If not, just watch the dogs.
Yeah, it's nothing else, just watch the dogs play. So good morning, Traveling Roots here again. Today I am going to be painting the siding for the office. Just that, and also all the edges, the frames and the corners of the walls. We went just to Home Depot, we picked the colors. Brian's okay with it. Brian is working today, so he won't be here today. Hopefully the kids will show up later this afternoon for help, but who knows. In the meantime, I'm going to have set up a system where I paint for siding the slats, and then while they're drying, I paint the frames and the corners of the building. So we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, we're like 110 degrees in here today. Yay! Oh yes, I was left home without adult supervision, and I don't know you, but when I work, I am singing and dancing. Thank God I'm an architect, because I honestly not a good singer. I'm sorry about that, you guys. keep in mind that this is in the middle of the summer, and while I was at work, Brian and the kids installed the siding of the office. It turned out really great. So what are we doing today, baby?
What are we doing today?
What are you doing, actually?
I've already been doing it.
So I show up today from work, and Brian finished the last of the siding in my office. And he's right now working in this last pitch with the notches of the beams. And he finished this side also. Very excited. He just needs caulking and retouching and things like that, but for the most part it's done. One more, or one less project to do.
All right.
Right? How hot it is today, baby?
108 today
108 today. Lovely.
in the direct zone.
So what you have to say about all this stuff that you have done for me?
I hope you're happy.
I'm happy. Thank you. I almost cried when I saw it almost done. As you can tell, this house has been an unending project after another. So it took a while, but we finally finished the office, and forgive me for all the mess that we have in here, but keep in mind the house is still a construction site and the bus is a construction site. So, you know, we have all kind of crap everywhere. Now, okay, so keep in mind that the office has become the storage facility for the bus for a while. So you gotta forgive the mess. But he's basically it. Computer, the desk. By the way, I did this desk. Came out really, really nice, I think. The same with the bookshelves. I haven't had time to print anything, but I want to, instead of the pictures, I want to have sound deflecting boxes in here that I obviously haven't made yet. So that's it. Very simple and crowded with stuff, as you can see. The storage for the bus, many ways. That's it. So this is it, the final of the office. Once I don't have it so crowded, we may give you guys a tour for the house once we're done with all the little projects, but in the meantime, this is the end of the office. So that's it. Until next time, you guys. We see you in the next video, okay? Bye. Well, that's it for today, you guys. Please consider subscribing, smash that bell, and know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.